Hi guys, this is your RP sir. So many of you are in a confusion. Why people will fail in the examination, or even though their preparation is very much well done, but they could not perform in the main gate examination or ESC examination properly, right? So do you know what is the reason, anyone? The main reason is not practicing the test series, right? That is the main reason. Even though your preparation is very much well done, if you are not practicing the test series, right, these kind of situations will happen, right? If you wanted to avoid this kind of situation and you wanted to justify your preparation in the main examination, what you need to do, you have to attend this mock test. Then from this mock test you realize, right, how much preparation you have completed, right? What is the efficiency you are having and what are the areas of improvement you should have, and based on that performance you improve your weaker areas, right? That is how you can make your examination successful. And time management is also very important, you can say. So we cannot, even though your preparation is 200% perfect, but if you do not know how to manage the time in examination, right, directly you are going to the examination and you do not know time management, then it's of waste. Then what you need to do, you should practice the main examination, gate examination, before going to the gate examination, right? How? By means of this all India mock test offered by Unacademy, right? Already one mock test is completed on December 4th, and the next mock test is coming on which one? December 18th. So don't miss this, guys, everyone. Attend this all India mock test conducted by Unacademy and use the enrollment code RPCIVIL and get benefit, right? So don't waste your preparation, right? Make a justification to your preparation. Thank you.